Hi, I'm Holly Mannion from the Green Team and the Radiation Roulette blog. I'm in the kitchen and I'd like to tell you a little bit about your microwave. First of all, I have my radio frequency meter with me. I have it in the on position. I have a microwave here and some food in it. I'm going to close the microwave and watch what happens. I should say, listen to what happens. Wow, that's a lot of radiation leaking. And it's still leaking out this far. I want to turn it off before I get cooked as well as the food in the oven. Anyway, the best advice I can give you is to get rid of the microwave oven. Every microwave oven leaks electromagnetic radiation, harms food, and converts food cooked in it to dangerous organ toxic and carcinogenic products. Microwave cooking is not natural nor healthy and is far more dangerous to the human body than you could imagine. The human body cannot metabolize the unknown byproducts created in microwave foods. And the effects of microwave food byproducts are residual within the human body. Cooking by microwaves begins with the cells and molecules where water is present and where energy is transformed into frictional heat. When you turn the microwave on, the vibration is so intense that the structures of the molecules are ripped apart and forcefully deformed. This violent action causes a change in the chemical makeup of food, and your food becomes impaired in quality. Minerals, vitamins, and nutrients of all microwave food is reduced or altered so that the human body gets little or no benefit. Minerals, vegetables, and are altered into cancerous free radicals. Again, my best advice is get rid of your microwave oven. It just takes a little bit more time to heat your food up in a standard oven, and at least then you know that you will not be changing the chemical makeup of the food you're about to serve your family. If you must keep your microwave oven, downsize the current one to a lower powered one and always stand at least 15 feet away or further when the microwave is on. Do not heat baby formula in a microwave and always keep young children and infants as far away as possible when it's on. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you think twice before you use your microwave again.